Understanding, Experiencing Turmoil. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important phrase that you might come across in English conversations, news, or literature: experiencing turmoil. It's a phrase that carries a lot of weight and emotion, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Turmoil refers to a state of great disturbance, confusion, or uncertainty. When someone is experiencing turmoil, they are going through a period where things might be chaotic, unsettled, or confusing. This can apply to personal feelings, situations in life, or even larger societal issues. The key aspects to remember are the disturbance and uncertainty that accompany turmoil. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. Personal life. After losing his job, he was experiencing turmoil, unsure of what to do next. Societal. The country was experiencing turmoil due to the political unrest. Emotional. She was experiencing turmoil inside, torn between two major life decisions. These examples show how turmoil can affect different aspects of life, highlighting the phrase's versatility in describing complex emotions and situations. Using experiencing turmoil in your conversations can help you express a deep level of empathy or understanding of chaotic situations. Here are some tips. Empathy. I understand you're experiencing turmoil right now. How can I help? Self-expression. I've been experiencing turmoil with this decision, and I need some advice. Observation. It seems like our community is experiencing turmoil. We should come together to find solutions. By using this phrase thoughtfully, you can convey a sense of depth and sensitivity to the complexities of human emotions and societal issues. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means to be experiencing turmoil, and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, understanding such expressions not only enhances your language skills but also your ability to connect with others on a deeper level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own life to fully grasp its meaning and impact. See you in the next video.